Hello friends, from here we will start to with Metaplot library. Metaplot library is a library by which we can generate the graph with help of the data, and this is very simple way to generate the plot. Plotting or to generating the graph we need the two axes. One is the x-axis, y-axis. So x-axis and y-axis we have to provide and then it will generate the graph. But overall, how it will work, for what we have to do, and what is the our first step. First of all, you need to install the Matplot library. Matplot library is a module which we need to import. So before importing, we need to install. We have a few commands which you have to run in your terminal after VS Code. Once you will run that code, then it will install automatically. If you want the command, then I will provide you. Please comment. I will provide the command. Right. So once you will run that command, it will install in your VS Code, and after that you need to do only import that meta library. If that metaplot library already installed in your VS, then once you will write, then it will not show any error. Otherwise, it will show that it will give the red signal, unknown file, unknown library you imported. Like this, you will get the error. But if installed successfully, then it will not give any issue. Hope you understand how to import. After that, things will be very simple. Need to give two data. One is the x, one another is the y, and then use the alias of the PLT of the metaplot library, and then plot x and y. It will uh, show you the graph. Here we write the title. This is the keyword, the title of your graph, and then pt.show will show you the graph. Let me run it. You can see. So you can see it's a very simple. X-axis is going 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is the value 10. 2 is the value 20, right? And 3 is 25. 25, and it's oh sorry, 3 I think will be here, and it's yes 25, and 4 is 30. So this is a simple and yeah, simple graph. This is a title simple graph. So which you can delete from here. So this is the title, and this is the way we can plot the graph, as well as if you want to know if which axis what value is there, so you can see here. Yes, this is the point. You can see this place here. You can see x-axis and y-axis value. Let me show you here. Yes, see, 399 means 4 and 30, right? Once we go to the top of that one, this is a 430, right? If you will click here, if you will put your cursor here, then it will show you that what exactly value it is, right? Same way here you can see. So it is varying once mouse or your cursor is moving. This is very simple. I don't think we need to spend lots of time here. Simply write the plot, add x and y, write the title, and plot dot show will show you the. I hope you understand, but still, if you have any doubts, so we will connect with another. Sorry, still, if you have a doubt, please comment me. I will try to resolve your queries and doubts. Thank you for watching.